Good morning, contemporary literacy students, or contemporary literature students, or good afternoon, depending on what time you woke up today and decided to get started on your work. A couple things you're doing today. One, you're doing this Edpuzzle, which is going to be quick, just explain how to do the assignment. But what I'm going to have you do today is I'm going to have you go back to Friday's assignment, the QAR. And what you're going to do is you're going to take a look at everybody's questions that they created in the QAR. You're going to do two things. One, I want you to read over other students' work and choose one of each type of question from the slides. One right there, one think and search, one author and you, and one on your own. And then in the comment box, which on your version, because this is my teacher version, is going to show up over here, okay, in the comment box, rewrite each of those 4 questions that you chose and then answer them. So basically, here's what you're doing. You are answering the questions that other students wrote. Okay, so I'm going to show you quickly what I mean by that. So you're going to choose 4 questions, one of each type, and you're going to answer other students' questions in the comment box over here. And then I want you to read chapters 9 through 11, which if you have the paper book, it's pages 73 to 99. And if you're on Libby, it's 117 to 150. Okay, so let's go back to last Friday. And my loud child in the background, as always. So we open up the QAR. I'll just start with this one here because I went in and wrote some questions of my own. Okay, let me make this bigger. You can zoom. Go up to view, go to zoom, and make it bigger. Okay, so I had right there questions. 1, how is the pledge different than the one we actually recite? Chapter 8, why does Tess think that the stranger let Day into the house or stay in his house? That was chapter 6. Think and search, how old is Day? And what did the bartender tell Day? In my head, why did Mateus, that should say M-E, Mateus, leave Cheyenne, I think is how that's said. Was there some conflict with her? Look, you guys, I should have probably edited myself. Was Day framed for Mateus's death? I thought the knife hit him in the shoulder. And who do you think this mystery drug dealer is who's looking for Day? My on your own questions, if you knew that someone's life was in danger, but you knew that helping them could get you thrown in jail or worse, executed, would you do it? And how far would you be willing to go to save a member of your own family's life? Okay, so those were mine. And if you go through, like Trinity has her questions, Antonio's, Harold's, Travis has some down here on slide 11 because he always likes to be a pain in my tush and choose a slide that I have to search for. Thanks, Travis. Okay, so based on the people who have done the assignment, so this is what you have to choose from. Okay, so you're going to choose one right there. So I'm going to say, what was the name of June's brother? I'm going to choose that one. I'm going to go over to the comment box on Google Classroom and I'm going to write, what is the name of June's brother? And then I'm going to write the answer. Okay. Maybe I choose Antonio's. How did people meet Day from his first crime? No, I'm not sure I want to answer that one. Maybe. I think that some of these think and searches are actually right there, but I will let it slide for now. Okay. So maybe I want to answer, what does the bartender tell Day? Okay. She tells him a lot of things because they talk for an entire chapter. So that would involve summarizing what she said. Okay, so this is the one I want to answer. So in the comment box, I'm going to type, what does the bartender tell Day? And type my answer. Okay, so you have to choose one of each type of question, retype the question so that we know which question you are answering, and then type your answer. Okay, 4 questions, one of each type, 4 answers from your head. Please give evidence from the text. When you've finished, read chapters 9 through 11. Okay, again, 9 through 11 should be, depending on your version of the book, 73 to 99 if you're reading the actual paper book, 117 to 150 on Libby. All right? And have a great rest of your day.